And here you can clearly see extra 20% discount is already applied, free domain and 3 months of free hosting included. And now you will see the domain is 100% free.
Hi there, in this class I will teach you how to buy hosting and domain from hostinger.com and how to install WordPress. If you use my special link, you will get an exclusive 20% discount on your purchase. As soon as you open hostinger.com, scroll down to see the different hosting plans like Premium, Business and Cloud Startup. The best part is that you will get a free domain with any of these plans. I highly recommend choosing the business plan. It is the most popular and perfect for long-term use.
Now you need to choose how many months you want to buy cloud hosting for. I personally recommended selecting minimum 48 months because this gives you the lowest possible price. And here you can clearly see extra 20% discount is already applied, free domain and 3 months of free hosting included. Next, search for your free domain in the search bar. For example, I will type acnary.com. If it's available, it will show as free for 1 year. You may see a price here. Don't worry, that's because the period is set to 2 years. Just change the domain period to 1 year and now you will see the domain is 100% free. Now click on continue.
Enter your Gmail and create a strong password and click on register. Next, fill your billing details. After that, click continue and choose your preferred payment method. If you are using a card, enter your name, 16-digit card number, expiry date and CVV number. Click submit payment, enter the OTP sent to your phone number and you will be logged into your Hostinger account. If not, you can manually log in. Now we will install WordPress. Go to the website section and click add website.
Here you need to select WordPress option. After that you have to add some basic details. Here you will see two options, create a website and migrate a website. You need to select create a website and then click next. Now here you will see two options, WordPress and Hostinger website builder. Select WordPress and click on next.
Select your preferred language, enter your Gmail address and create a strong password for your WordPress admin panel. Click next and select create a blank site. Don't choose AI or pre-built websites. Now it's time to claim your free domain. Type your desired domain name here. If it is available, you will see a green free domain label. Click to select it and then click install WordPress. Within seconds, WordPress will be installed on your domain and you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. In the next videos, I will explain each option inside the WordPress dashboard step by step in simple language, so you will understand everything clearly. Stay connected and inshallah you will master it easily.